In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase row height in Smartsheet. Row height in Smartsheet is tied directly to the font size in your sheet. So, the simplest and most reliable way to make rows taller is to increase the font size for the cells or rows you're working with. I'll walk you through the full flow, starting from a fresh sheet, so you can follow along even if you're new. First, head to the Home area in Smartsheet. This is your starting hub for creating and organizing work. From there, choose Start a New Project, Program, or Process. You'll see options for templates and ways to get going quickly. Next, you'll notice template suggestions by role, such as options for company management. You can browse those if you want, but for a clean example today, we'll keep it simple and create our own. Select the option to start from scratch so we're working with a blank canvas. Choose a new workspace or location as your starting point so your new sheet has a home. This just ensures your file is saved where your team expects it. Then, pick Table as the item type. A basic table is ideal here because it gives us a standard grid where we can clearly see the effect of changing font size on row height. Make sure you're looking at the sheet itself in the grid view. You should see your columns and rows ready to edit. Now, look toward the top toolbar for the font size control. It typically shows a number like 10 or 12 alongside text styling options. Click that font size control. Increase the font size to your preference. As you bump the size up, Smartsheet will automatically increase the height of the rows for whatever you've selected, making your content more readable and giving more vertical space. If you only want certain rows taller, select just those before adjusting. If you prefer a consistent look across your sheet, keep the same font size in the areas you want to match. If you go too big, don't worry. Simply reduce the size again, or use Undo to revert. A few quick tips as you adjust. Larger font sizes are great for notes, heavy rows, and for sheets that will be printed or viewed on smaller screens. Keep in mind that increasing font size means you'll see fewer rows on the screen at once, so balance readability with how much you need to view at a glance. Also, changes apply to the selection you've made, so double check what's highlighted before you commit. That's it. By using the font size control, you've effectively increased row height in Smartsheet in a simple, consistent way.